Hey everyone, this is Kush, and right now we are trying to record a video about WanderWise. WanderWise is an AI based chatbot that takes user preferences and tries to use Gemini LLM APIs at the backend to generate an itinerary. So basically, this is the pre-travel segment where we can tap into new customers and get provide all end-to-end solutions for hotels and even flights and other travel options with the help of APIs. Right now, in this whole thing, I am using Make My Trip as the API provider kind of stuff where you can, book hotels and all. So if I want to go from Bangalore to Dubai from 17th to suppose 19th, I'll give these information and then it will suggest links for hotels and for flights and other options also. So if I open this, it will take me to Make My Trip where mostly what are direct flights and some indirect flights like Bangalore to Mumbai, Mumbai to Dubai, via Muscat, Goa, and all other options are there, and you can book those flights if you want to. Moving down, we have travel preferences. So if you're someone who is traveling solo, for whom weather does not matter, then experience that we are looking for is adventure, culture, shopping, food and drinks. Let's keep it mid-range. Accommodation, hotel, balanced days, and then if you these are all optional fields. If you want, you can fill, and then we submit. As soon as you submit, it says that the trip data is collected, and now it is trying to interact. There is one initial prompt with this data that goes to Gemini, and then Gemini is able to create a itinerary. So let's see the itinerary. First, it is giving some quick notes for currency, visa, transportation, dress code, and other things, and weather of April. So day one, 9 a.m. We'll go to check in some hotel. It has given even hotel suggestions. Then go for desert safari. Next day, they have some Dubai museum, coffee museums, and Emirati lunch. Then Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, and whole dinner and night time over there only. And at last, we have IMG World Adventures for Marvel Cartoon Network things, dinner walk, and possible modifications. It is also giving possible modifications. So I can say, hey, can we skip desert safari and go to FERRARI Ferrari World. So now you are into the chat window where you're trying to chat with this whole bot and try to get your own itinerary created. Suppose if you don't want, you could have just written a prompt like, "Hey, I am not interested in going to desert safari. Can you have something more adventure activity included instead of desert safari?" So Gemini might give you some other options, and then it will ask, "Okay, which one is the one you're looking up to?" So now he can say, absolutely, let's swap Desert Safari with Ferrari World. So now he has taken Ferrari World on day one, day two, no changes, day three, no changes, and then important note. So now if I am happy, I'll write if I finalize this, and behind the scenes, there will be some magic happening, and you will get your 3 days perfect itinerary created in just some minutes. Cool. So let's take it. Dubai solo trip. Day one, Ferrari World and a city arrival. Then day two, it is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, Aquarium, Fountain Show. Day three, it is Palm Jumeirah Beach, beachside dining, some mosques, and then some last minute shopping. It also gives you proper budgets and the total costing that might go with the budget. And that is how this whole WanderWise chat application works. We could add a lot of things over here, like with travel preferences you can directly redirect them to, either Airbnb. Suppose if over here you're trying to select, instead of hotel you could select hostel, Airbnbs, resorts. So we could have a different partnerships over here, and then if it is Airbnb, then we would directly pop up an Airbnb link where all the preset filters, we could even ask for the filters, like what kind of stay the user wants, and then curate that link and give it to him, so that he does not have to go on Airbnb and try to fill things over there. Then apart from that, we could have a vector database for some locations and their cuisines, so that whenever some user is trying to go to that place, we try to pop up that cuisine in our prompt, and give a much refined suggestions for cuisines also. And apart from that, if you're going with a partner or anything, then we could add some date spots or candlelight dinner, something like that. So there is a scope of improvement in this, but keeping it as a proof of concept and starting it out with a small baby step, this is what I was able to build. And thanks to Google and Kaggle, their 5 days AI intensive course taught me a lot on how to build these kind of chatbots and AI stuff from basic to advanced concepts. Thank you, everyone, and I hope, I would love to hear some good feedback about this on your into the comments or on the blog. Thanks.